Hey, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got a little item I want to show you here. The company sent me this and asked me to review it, and that's what I'm going to do. This is a fishing backpack. We called it a kit, so let's see what we got here. Hey, it's not huge. Got an over-the-shoulder strap there for us, and on this back side, got a little zipper compartment on the back side. Put whatever you need down in there. Over here on the front side, you got a smaller zipper part here. Probably come in handy for about anything, from a little toolbox to even maybe your phone even go in there. You got another little section here. You go this way, and again, this thing is water resistant in through here, so it's it's pretty well lined and made. So you put you shoot, I don't know, I'm thinking ham sandwich down in there, but it could be anything fishing related. I like a snack when I fish. I don't know about y'all. It's a place on the side there for your water bottle or whatever, so maybe some tools right down in there. Let's just see. Let's see what they had in mind. Look here. Electronic scale. Look here. That's going to be your fish grabber right there. Man, it's called a tool kit, a fishing kit. Look at that. And get a hold of that lip. You'll be able to hook that fish up right there like that. This will fit right down the side of your tool pouch there. Got another little device here. I think I know what this is too. Yep, let's get that hook out. Let's see if we can get it out. Look here. Got a little hook right here on the end. Pull that hook out. Get in there right. Snatch that back. Get that hook out of that fish's mouth. A lot of trouble doing that sometimes. So now you got this on that side. Over here. You got your lipper over here. Yes, sir. Got your scale there. Hey, we're not done yet. Not done yet. What else we got in this kit? Got a little D-ring on so it can so it can hang. Right here. Tell me you don't, Velcro to hold that in. You don't want anything falling out when you're out there on the side of the bank or you're in that little kayak. So we got a little release right down here. Now it's spring loaded open. Okay? That's going to be your ring pliers. And along with some other things, it can crimp some things. It can cut your line right here. But it's got that little hook on it for breaking open in them rings so you can change those out on your equipment sometimes. So you put that back in there. And again, got a little Velcro strap right here. Comes over that thing. You're not going to lose them. Got a little bungee and a D-cord so you hook this thing wherever you're comfortable for it being on the side of that bag there. Let's see, I thought I saw something else in here. Uh-oh, look here. Look here. They even sent you something to fish with. How about that? Oh yeah, that's a nice little kit. That's a nice little kit. Got about everything you need in there. This is THKFISH. Got a little ring there. So, there's your little spoon. There's your another spoon. I've caught a lot of things on spoons now. They'll hit that spoon, it gets a shaking through that water. So that's 4 spoons right there, 4 silver spoons in there, and a little gold for you. Hey, that's pretty good. I like that. Look here, you need a little something bigger. You going for that bass, need a little rattle? Huh? It's got a little rattle in it. Got a little medium dive minnow hair. Got a little top water right there. Got that flat nose bill there. You'll pop across top of that water. That'll work. Got some jig heads, got some swivels, some clips, everything you need. Over here, look at that little crawdad. Little crawdad, you don't like crawdad? How about a frog? You come with a little frog? Listen, you out on the water, you can't carry everything. We've got some rubber, plastic baits over here to go on those jig heads. Hey, this is a good kit. Got a scale, got a lipper, got a hook remover, got a pair of pliers to deal with this stuff here, and all that fit down this little pouch that goes over your shoulder, either the front side or you can wear it on the front, or back side or the front, however you like it. Got this fishing backpack or shoulder pack. Look there. That thing just sits right there. You can move that thing around there out of your way like that, keep right on fishing, whether you're sitting down or standing up. Need to get something out of it, pull that thing around there. Hey, get them lippers out. Huh? Get them lippers out and let's lip that fish. Huh? That's how it's going to work. We're going to try it again one day just here soon when the fishing weather comes back around. Now I'm going to try to do them another video in the spring, but right now we got a snowstorm coming in. It's about 40 degrees outside finally, so I'm not going fishing today, although I could fish in that weather, but I had to turn the gas on here just to get it up to 50. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Y'all take a look at this fishing backpack. Solid made, very well lined, very water resistant, got pouches everywhere. Y'all give this thing a look. I think it's going to be a good item for me. I believe it will be a good item for you. Hey, in the meantime, y'all have a God bless day.